and welcome to my Barefoot playlist. Today we've got these unisex Scandinavia rain boots by Biscard, which was founded in Denmark by a couple who designed children and women's shoes, with natural and sustainable materials being the core of their brand. These are a minimalist pair of wellies that I spotted on Amazon, and they have a riding boot look about them. I'm a size 5 to 5.5, and these were on sale in a 6 for 40 quid. So I thought I'd get the bigger size with the option to wear thick socks with them. The wellies are described as a handmade, waterproof, natural rubber boot, with breathable cotton lining for added comfort, with a flexible free rubber outsole for a secure grip, and designed for a narrow to normal fit, and it provides comfort for various foot shapes. There's no harmful chemicals used, such as PVC or phthalates. So let's see what they're like then. They actually feel really good. Just fit my calves. I think my calves are skinny-ish. I thought my toes were going to be squished when I first looked at them, but there's actually plenty of room. I did go up a size to a 6, but these actually feel really good. Now I did try these out on a quick walk. It was only a 20-minute walk, and I did feel like I was starting to get a blister on my left heel. And since wearing barefoot and minimalist shoes since about 4 years ago, I've never had a blister. But these are wellies, so I can't really compare for that reason. Maybe if I'd had a size 5 or 5.5, they wouldn't have rubbed, because I feel like the heel is lifting, my foot's lifting from the heel because they're slightly too big for me. But wellies aren't for hiking anyway, so I'll just stick to using these in the garden or for a quick stroll around the block when it's really rainy. My feet are about 9 centimetres wide, and there's plenty of room for me. They do state that they're for a narrow fit, so I'd only advise getting them if you've got skinny legs. I'll measure my calves and put the measurement on the screen now. Not sure what size these wellies go up to, but they do state that they're unisex. But on the website they say they just make them for children and women. Maybe that's changed. It's worth having a look because they look like a good quality, stylish welly. Okay, hope that helped a little. Thanks for watching. Bye!